So I found a free AI tool that you can use to create cartoon animations and even animate your own images, just like you can see on your screen. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can do this. Whether you're using your mobile phone or you're using a computer, you can do this. It's very easy to do. And if you run an African folktale channel, this will enhance your videos and cause your videos to go viral. So if you look at those videos that go viral in the African folktale niche, it's this tool that I'm about to share with you that they use to create those animations that you see that makes the videos to go viral. So if this is something that you're interested in, please come closer and let's dive in. So to get started, I'm going to walk you through how you can do this, and towards the end of the video, I'm going to share the name of the platform with you so you don't get distracted. So first thing first, once you come over here, there are different ways you can do your animation. There is image or text, and there is effect, there is transition, and I'm going to walk you through how to do it all. So here for the image or text, you can tell the AI exactly what you want, and it's going to go ahead and create that. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to tell the AI to generate a girl running with a robot, and I'm going to include Pixar style so that it gives us that animation feel, that 3D animation feel. So I'm just going to go ahead and leave everything as it is. I'm going to go ahead and click on create. And now you can see that it has generated our video. Now, how cool is this? It's looking so amazing and exactly what we wanted. And if you're trying this out on your own, you can give it specific of exactly what you want. You can tell it the type of clothes that you want the character to wear, the color, the hair, anything. You can go ahead and give it that instruction just as you would give ChatGPT. And if for some reason you're confused on how you can come up with a very good prompt, you can also use ChatGPT to come up with a very good prompt. Just tell ChatGPT the idea that you have, and ChatGPT will come up with a very good, well-detailed prompt that you can use on this platform, and you're going to get something good. And come on, this is amazing. So now that we have this, you can go ahead and download it and then use it for your project. It's completely copyright free, so you're not going to have any copyright issues in future or whatever. So you can go ahead and keep building up this character and have the same face. I've shared a tutorial on how you can create consistent characters over and over on this channel. If you haven't seen that video, I'm going to link it in the description, or you can click here to watch it to learn how you can create consistent characters. And that tutorial also works here. So if you use the same concept that I shared in that tutorial, you can use that to create consistent characters on this platform as well. So you have this exact same character performing any task that you want. So with this, you can run an African folktale channel, you can run a cartoon-based channel, that is kids channel. You can run it conveniently and comfortably without any issues, because it's going to create all the characters that you need without you having to lift a muscle. The platform is not 100% free. It gives you 2 free trials every day. So if it's not enough, you can then go ahead and pay for it. But if you know what you're doing and how to merge pictures and videos together in your video, you necessarily do not need to pay for it, because I always advocate that you reduce the cost of your production to the barest minimum so that you won't be under pressure, or you won't be in a hurry to make your money back and then be hoping that the YouTube channel will just take up instantly. So my advice is that you merge this with what you have going on. I'm going to do a dedicated tutorial. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to make that tutorial, a dedicated tutorial on African folktale channel, how you can create animations and also mix it with images. So you have the animations and then you have images, just like you will see with some of the trending videos in the African folktale niche. I'm going to share with you how you can merge everything together and come up with a viral African folktale video. But trust me, this is amazing. So this is one way you can generate animations with this platform. And the second way is by adding your own photograph, adding your own pictures, and then use your pictures to create whatever animation that you want. And to do that, all you have to do is to click on this plus sign, and you're going to select the image that you want to use. So I'm just going to go ahead and select an image that we're going to use. So I'm going to go ahead and select this image and click on open, and it's going to go ahead and upload this image. So while it's uploading, I'm going to come over to effects, and I'm going to choose the effect that I want. Now, there are so many effects here. So you take your time and choose whatever you want. There is anything robot, there is Kung Fu Club, there is 360 microwave. There's a lot of options that you can choose here. And if you don't see the one that you like, you can click on view more to see even more options to choose from. So here you can scan through all the options here. There's so many options that you can choose from, and depending on the story that you're telling or what you want to create. So this is Holy Wings. If you want Holy Wings, you can have this, or Warmth of Jesus. you can literally take on anything. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to select Iron Man, okay? We're going to click on create and select Iron Man. So here we have activate iron mode. So it's going to convert this my image to Iron Man. So let me go ahead and change this image to something else, a better image for this. So I'm going to use this image. So now it's going to convert this my image to Iron Man image. And to do that, all you have to do is to click on create, and it's going to go ahead and generate the video for us.
2 seconds later.
And here you can see that it has created the animation for us. Now, how cool is this? This is so mind-blowing, and it doesn't take any effort. You just click and you get the video that you want. This is so amazing, and the name of the platform is Faceless.ai. I want you to try this out on your own and see how you're going to use it to create magic and create viral videos that is going to make you lots of money from the comfort of your home. And talking about making money from the comfort of your home, I recommend that you watch this video next to learn more ways to make money from the comfort of your home. So go ahead and try this video now and thank me later. See you on the other side. Ciao.